questions 1 through 10 on the 2017 Grade 10 Cayley Math Contest. The expression 6 times 111 minus 2 times 111 is, well, this is 666, and this is 222, so it becomes 444. And therefore, number 1, the answer is C. The value of 5 squared minus 9 over 5 minus 3 is, 5 squared is 25, minus 9 over 5 minus 3 is 2. So this is 16 over 2, and that is 8. So number 2, the answer is D. A snowman is built by stacking 3 spheres with their centers aligned vertically. The spheres have radii of 10, 20, and 30 centimeters. How tall is the snowman? Well, let's draw the diameters all the way down like this. That will give me the height. Well, the radii are 10, 20, and 30, so the diameters must be double that, 20, 40, and 60. So to get the height, we have to add those, and that would be 120. So number 3, the answer is D. Which of the following fractions has the greatest value? Well, I can factor out a 4, and now I'm left with 1, 1, 1, 1. And if I factor out the 5 on the denominator, I'll be left with 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So that cancels to just 4 over 5, which is 0.8. In a very similar way, when you factor out the 5 and the 6 from the numerator and denominator, you get 5 over 6. And that is approximately 0.83. You get the hang of this now. This will be 6 over 7. And that is approximately 0.85. This is 7 over 8. And that is 0.875. And 8 over 9 is 0.88. So obviously the largest one is choice E for number 4. The graph shows the volume of water in a 30-liter tank as it is being drained at a constant rate. At what rate is the water leaving the tank in liters per hour? Well, in liters per hour, it would be 300 over 25, and that is just 12. So number 5, the answer is A. Penelope folds a piece of paper in half, creating 2 layers of paper. She folds the paper in half again, creating a total of 4 layers of paper. If she continues to fold the paper in half, which of the following is a possible number of layers that could be obtained? So you fold it once, you get 2. You fold it again, you get 4. Basically, it will double. So if you fold it again, it will be 8. If you fold it again, it will be 16. If you fold it again, it will be 32, and so on, right? So of those, the only one that's in the answer choices is 16. So number 6, the answer is D. The operation A diamond B is A squared B minus AB squared. What is 2 diamond 7? Okay. 2 diamond 7 would be 2 squared times 7 minus 2 times 7 squared. So that's 4 times 7 minus 2 times 49. So that's 28 minus 98, and that is negative 70. So number 7, the answer is B. Each of the 3 cards is labeled with 3 numbers. Which of the following groups of 3 cards has the properties that the first and second cards have exactly 1 number in common? The first and third cards have exactly 1 number in common, and the second and third cards have exactly 1 number in common. All right, so just look through these and figure it out. So that's all it is, really. Not much more I can say. So the answer is D. Why? Well, because if you look at the first and second card, they have 147 and 234 as the numbers. They have exactly 1 number in common, and that number is 4. If you look at the first and the third card, they have exactly 1 number in common, and that number is 7. And if you look at the second and third card, they have exactly 1 number in common, and that number is 2. So they meet the criteria, therefore number 8, the answer is D. A restaurant bill including 13% tax but not including a tip is $226. The server is paid a tip of 15% based on the bill before tax. How much is the tip that the server is paid? So first, we have to figure out what is the actual bill. Let that be X. 1.13, 13% tax, is equal to 226. So X is 200, and that represents the amount of the bill, without tax, without tip. Now, on this bill, we have to add a 15% tip. So 0.15 of that $200 is going to be the tip, and that is exactly $30. So $30 is the tip, so number 9, the answer is C. In the diagram, TU is parallel to PS, and points Q and R lie on PS. Also, PQT is X, RQT is X minus 50, and TUR is X plus 25. What is the measure of URS? So they want this angle right here. Well, from parallel lines, we can continue that line like that. And when you do, you'll be able to deduce, using the Z pattern, that this is also X minus 50. And again, using a Z pattern like that, not really a Z, but you get the idea, this is X. And then I'll call this angle in here Y. Now, this is two triangles, so the sum of all those angles must be 360. So that's X plus 25 plus X minus 50 plus Y. But I don't know X. But I can figure it out because these two have to add up to 180. So X plus X minus 50 has to add up to 180. So 2X is 230. So X is 115. So 360 is equal to 3X minus 25 plus Y. So that means I can substitute in X is 115 minus 25 plus Y. So 360 is equal to 345 minus 25 plus Y. So that's what, 320? So 360 minus 320, Y is 40. So this angle in here is 40. Now to get this angle, which is what we want, we would just subtract from 180. So URS, that angle, would be 180 minus that Y. So it's 180 minus 40, and that is 140. So number 10, the answer is B.